As a real estate agent, your number one objective is to protect your clients. If you follow my channel, you've heard me say that before. And my question to you today is, what are you doing to protect your clients from title theft or title fraud? I'm going to be using those terms interchangeably today. My name is Sharon Smoot. I'm a realtor and a residential real estate closing attorney in the metro Atlanta area. And you guessed it, today's topic is how to help protect your clients from title theft. So, what exactly is title theft? It's when some scammer creates a fake deed, has a fake notary seal on it, and they get a loan against the property to sap the equity. They abscond with that money, and the homeowner is left to pay the mortgage. Typically, what they're doing is getting a home equity line of credit or a home equity loan. Bottom line is that they steal the equity in the property, run off with the cash, and the homeowner is left holding the bag. So, what can be done, or better yet, better question, what can you do to help protect your clients from title theft? Well, in my opinion, there are a couple things you can do. The first is, and if this is someone purchasing a home, make sure they understand the importance of title insurance. Title insurance enhanced coverage will protect them in the event that they are the victim of title theft. The next thing that you can do is advise them, and this is in Georgia only, other states might have similar systems, but in Georgia, homeowners can sign up for the FAN system, Filing Activity Notification System, FANS. This system is available through the Georgia Superior Court Clerks Cooperative Authority. There is a website, gsccca.org, that you can direct your clients to, and hopefully you've heard of GSCCCA, but you can direct them to GSCCCA and they can register their home with the FAN system. Now, the FAN system is not going to prevent the title theft from happening. It is a notification system only, but it is better that someone find out that a deed has been filed sooner rather than later. So once a homeowner registers for the FAN system, and it is available in all 159 counties in Georgia, whenever there is a deed filed against their property, they're going to be notified. Now, on January 1st of this year, a law went into effect that requires all deed recordings to be done electronically and for all Superior Court clerks' offices to use an identity verification system as a means to thwart this title theft that is becoming a bigger and bigger problem across the country. So when you go on to gsccca.org to record a deed, you have to provide identification. Closing attorneys and what have you, they're set up, they have accounts. But as an individual has to provide a copy of their ID. And if they are acting, say, for instance, as the executor of the estate, they have to provide a copy of the letters testamentary. But there's a system in place to help the Superior Court clerks catch anything that looks shady. So that's just an added layer of protection. Now, in addition to, well, the other thing, let me say this about the FAN system is that it is free. So any homeowner in Georgia can register FANs and they will get a notification, can register with FANs and they will get a notification if there is any deed filing activity on their property. Now, another option that you should talk to your clients about is a paid system. For instance, Home Title Lock. And I am not endorsing Home Title Lock at all, but it is an option. Home Title Lock cannot prevent the title theft from happening. Much like FANs, it is a notification system. It scans the clerk's offices, and if it sees any unusual activity, deed filing activity, it'll notify the homeowner. The home title lock has three different levels. There is a level that's $17.95 a month, a level that is $18.95 a month, and a level that is $19.95 a month. So talk to your clients about these options to protect their home from title theft. It is so important. And for most people, their home is the biggest investment that they'll ever make. And it is a shame to think that they could potentially lose their home to foreclosure because some thief has run off with their equity. So I think that the FAN system is a great step. I don't know how I feel about somebody paying the $18, $19, $20 a month, because that can add up over time. But the one thing that I will say about Home Title Lock is that they have what they call restoration experts. These restoration experts will work with a homeowner who has been a victim of title theft. They will invest up to $1 million in helping the homeowner restore the title to their property. So maybe it is worth it. Still watching at this point? Comment title to let me know you're still here. I just want to recap. Title insurance. Title insurance will protect the homeowner from title theft. And the thing about title insurance, I shouldn't say protect, it'll help them restore their title in the event that they're the victim of title theft. And this is enhanced owner's coverage. And these days, I think most title insurance companies are offering enhanced coverage. If that's the regular coverage is probably a lot less common. But anyway, so the title insurance will help the homeowner, your client, restore their title. And the thing about title insurance is that it is good for as long as your client owns the property, regardless of how many times they refinance. As long as ownership doesn't change. Like if I buy a property and then I get married and I decide that I'm going to convey the property to my husband and my name's no longer on title, that title insurance is no longer effective. If I just add him to title, the title insurance is still effective because my name is still on title. Okay? So, coverage is a one-time premium, good as long as the homeowner owns the property, regardless of how many times they refinance. And they can add someone to title or remove someone from title. Their name just has to remain on title for the coverage to remain in effect. That's number one. Number two is the FAN system, Filing Activity Notification System, through the Georgia Superior Court Clerks Cooperative Authority. It's a free system, free to register. You will get a notification, or your client will get a notification if there's any filing activity on their property. Now, if a deed is filed that is fraudulent, the FAN system does not offer any restoration services. So your client will be left to find an attorney to represent them, assuming that they don't have title insurance. Always advise your clients to get title insurance. Always advise them to get title insurance. It's the cheapest insurance they will ever buy because it is just a one-time premium. Third, home title lock or some similar service. And there's a monthly fee associated with it, and they do provide restoration assistance.